First, on your browser, visit ibosol.com and log into your account. On the top right side, you can see your credit balance. We go to Multi-Apps Activation to activate our applications. You can select up to 4 apps max for 1 year, 1 credit, and for lifetime, 2 credits will be debited from your account. If you select only 1 app, for 1 year, 1 credit, and for lifetime, 2 credits will be debited from your account. Select the desired app and the duration. I will do only 1 year. Write the MAC address. You can see on my app that I'm on free trial. Now we click Activate. One credit deducted from our account. When we restart the app, we can see that now we are not on free trial anymore. If we click on Check MAC, we select the application and provide the MAC address. It shows info about that MAC address if it's active or not, and we have the option to activate it for lifetime only for 2 credits. If we go to Activated Apps List, it will show a list of apps that we activated, when we activated, the expiry date, and things like this. If we go to Add Playlist, we select the app and provide the MAC address, and then we click on Add Playlist. As you can see, we can add playlists from our panel directly, give it a name, the URL, and we have the option to protect the info with a custom pin. We click on Save Playlist and it's done. If we go to Change Domain URL, we select the app, we can replace old domain with a new one for that specific app. It will change the playlist domain name for devices activated by your account. Now, if we go to Credit Plans and Payment Plans, we can see the prices and recharge our account with credits directly from our panel. If we go to IBO Pro TV, we can create activation code. It works with IBO Pro app. 1 year equals 1 credit. We click Create, we copy this code, then we head to IBO Pro TV to activate it. Now it needs a playlist that I'm not going to add. But we can see on our panel that when we put our code on app, on our panel, we have assigned a MAC address to that code.